biyaya ng Diyos, siya ang magbibigay ng sapat na lakas sa atin para maging mapagpatuloy what He started as a good work. Recognize that. Affirm that. Reinforce that. When you are tempted to give up on your dreams, say to yourself, no, God has started in me something. That business venture, you will succeed in launching it. That aspiration to become a professional engineer, doctor, whatever it is that you want to achieve, God has started that in you, He will complete it. That desire in you to bless the work of God generously, faithfully, God has started that and He will complete that. He who began a good work. There is something in you that God started. Mayroong pinasimula ng Diyos sa atin. Hindi nagpasimula niyan ay tao. Hindi kung anong ahensya o institusyon ng tao ang nasa sa inyo. Diyos ang nagpasimula ng mabuting bagay. And He will complete it.